Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we will show you how to change contact email address on Google account and guide you step by step to update your email quickly and safely. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Chrome browser on your computer and click on your profile photo located in the top right corner. This gives you access to your Google account settings. Step 2. Click on Manage your Google account. This opens a page where you can control all your personal information, security settings, and account preferences. Step 3. From the left-hand menu, click on the Personal Info tab. This section contains your basic information including your name, birthday, and contact details. Step 4. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on Email. This is where Google stores your primary and recovery email addresses. Step 5. Click on Contact Email to continue. This allows you to manage the email address that Google uses to contact you. Step 6. Click on Add Other Email and type your new email address in the field provided. This is the email you want Google to use for notifications and account recovery. Step 7. Click on Add and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your new email address. Verification ensures that your new email is valid and belongs to you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful and easy tutorials.